Hello?
Yeah, hey, how are you?
Fine?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah?
Okay, yeah, okay. Hey, I'm calling about your Tradio.
My what?
Your Tradio listing, your radio ad. You need TV repair,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay, what's up with your TV?
Well, I think I'm almost fixed it, but I had got this, I still got it plugged up to it. This, I don't know what you call the darn thing now. But anyway, when I had it plugged in, it still got plugged in my antenna, but it's not plugged into my wall. So the other day I thought, what the heck? So I unplugged the top of one of them, and my TV's coming in better now than it did.
Oh, do you have an antenna hooked up to your TV?
Yeah. I had a brand new antenna.
Okay, what kind of antenna? A rabbit ear?
No, it's one of them other ones with the prongs on it. It's up on my roof
Are you
outside.
are you eating something?
Yeah, I was trying to eat my lunch. Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead. Oh, I didn't know how to use go ahead. Wait, what are you eating for lunch? Go ahead.
I was having 2 little ham sandwiches.
Little piggy ham sandwiches. Go ahead. And you
Yeah.
didn't say go ahead.
That's it. I was just trying to see if anybody knows what was causing that. Because every time I'd get the station on, I'd have to go move the antenna because it was messing up.
Oh yeah, you know why that is.
But I ain't losing no signal.
You know why that is. There's they call them wire ghosts. And they float around and they block your signal every now and then. And that just means that one of them is passing by. They might be smelling your lunch. Lunch ham sandwiches are definitely the wire ghost's favorite meal.
It don't do that now because I unplugged part of it.
No,
It's working now. I'm just going to get somebody to fix my stations for me and channels, and I'll be all set.
Well, yeah, that you have to talk to the wire ghost about that. Did you put mayonnaise on your sandwich too?
Goodbye.
What? What? Oh, not goodbye. Oh, hello. She was fun.